Creating a captivating and functional garden landscape for your home involves a thoughtful blend of design elements, plants, and features that harmonize with your outdoor space. Let's explore some inspiring home garden landscaping design ideas to transform your outdoor area into a peaceful oasis. Firstly, consider the layout and structure of your garden. A well-defined pathway leading through lush greenery or floral borders can add depth and visual interest. Incorporating elements like pergolas, trellises, or arbors can create focal points and provide support for climbing plants, adding vertical dimension and a sense of intimacy to your garden. Next, think about the theme or style you want to achieve. Whether it's a formal garden with symmetrical patterns and manicured hedges, a cottage garden brimming with colorful flowers and whimsical accents, or a minimalist Japanese-inspired garden with Zen elements, choosing a cohesive theme will guide your plant selection and design choices. Plant selection is crucial in garden landscaping. Consider the climate, soil conditions, and maintenance requirements when choosing plants. Incorporate a mix of trees, shrubs, perennials, and annuals to create layers of texture and color throughout the seasons. Native plants are often a sustainable choice, requiring less water and maintenance while attracting local wildlife. Water features can add a soothing ambience to your garden. Options like a bubbling fountain, tranquil pond, or cascading waterfall not only create a focal point, but also provide a sense of relaxation and serenity. Incorporating water-efficient irrigation systems can ensure that your garden remains healthy and vibrant without excessive water consumption. Lighting plays a significant role in garden landscaping, extending the enjoyment of your outdoor space into the evening hours. Strategic placement of LED lights along pathways, highlighting architectural features, and illuminating plantings can create a magical atmosphere and enhance safety and security. Functional elements such as seating areas, fire pits, or outdoor kitchens can transform your garden into an extension of your living space. Design cozy seating nooks surrounded by fragrant plants, incorporate a fire pit for chilly evenings, or create an outdoor cooking area with a grill and dining space for entertaining guests al fresco. Art and decor can add personality and charm to your garden. Consider installing sculptures, garden ornaments, or artistic planters to add visual interest and reflect your unique style. Incorporating recycled materials or upcycled furniture can also contribute to a sustainable and eco-friendly garden design. Seasonal enhancements can keep your garden looking fresh and inviting throughout the year. Plant seasonal flowers for bursts of color, decorate with seasonal decor like lanterns or festive lights, and adapt your garden layout to accommodate seasonal activities or gatherings. Lastly, maintenance is key to keeping your garden landscape looking its best. Regular pruning, weeding, and mulching can help maintain plant health and appearance. Consider using organic fertilizers and pest control methods to minimize environmental impact while keeping your garden thriving.